Good morning, boys and girls. We are on lesson 10 of module 5. Our I can statement for today is I can use math drawings to represent additions with up to 2 compositions and relate drawings to the addition algorithm. So for today, we're going to start off with our math sprint, and then we're going to do some addition and subtraction with our place value chart. So let's get started. We're actually going to start first with the application problem. So it says, Benji has 36 crayons. Anna has 12 fewer crayons than Benji. Part A asks, how many crayons does Anna have? Part B asks, how many crayons do they have all together? So let's zoom out. And on my chart, I have my read, draw, write checklist. And I have the 36 crayons that Benji had, and I took away 12 because Anna has 12 less than what Benji had. So this would be a smaller number. And I made a place value chart. So when we do subtraction, we always start in the ones place. So we have 6 minus 2. We're going to cross off 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 left. And now we do 3 minus 1. Cross off 1. How many are left? 1, 2. So 24. So Anna has 24 crayons. Now, we've read that problem, we drew it, and we wrote, but now we have to do part B. So we have to add together what Benji had, which was 36, plus now the 24 that Anna had. So we have to draw. First, we'll draw what Benji had, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we'll add what Anna had. So we'll start in the ones column, add the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, you take your 10 and you trade it in for 1. Your 10 ones traded for 1 10. So there's now 0 in the ones column, and you traded it in for 1 10. So we have the 3 there in that 1, and now we're going to add 2 more. 1, 2. Let's see how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Anna and Benji have 60 crayons all together. So we've read our problem, we've drawn our picture, and we've written our word sentence. Nice work. So now we're on part A of our sprint. For part A, you have addition crossing the 10 sprint. So you're going to pause this video and start a timer for 2 minutes. When the timer goes off, you will start it again and get ready for part B. Alright, good luck everybody. Alright. Here's part B. For part B, your goal is to get 1 more than you did on part A. When you're ready, you're going to start your timer for 2 minutes. You're going to pause this video, and then you're going to come back so we can move on to the rest of our lesson. Alright, good luck everybody. Alright, so we have our problem, which is 126 plus 160. And we're going to use our place value chart with 100, 10s, and 1s column to help us solve it. So I have 126 plus 160. So I'm going to first start at my 126 and putting that on my board. There's 110, or 100, 2 10s, and 6 1s. Now I got to add 160. Remember, you always start in the ones column, but there's nothing in the ones column, so then we're going to start by adding in the tens column. So we're going to add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's count how many there are in the tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You don't have to do anything, so we're going to write our 8 there. And now we have to do 1 plus 1, and then how many is that? Good, 2. So our answer is 286. Very nice job. Now we're going to go to our next problem, which is 326. With 326 plus 167. We have our place value chart. And let's get started. So first I'm going to show 300. So it's 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 6 ones. Now I have to add 167. Remember, always start in the ones column. So we're going to add our 7 ones. So let's count how many ones we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we can't have 13, so I'm going to circle 10. And I'm going to trade it in for 1 10. So I traded in my 10 ones for 1 10. And now I only have 3 ones. Now I'm going to do 2 plus 6. Oops. And I had the 1 that I brought over. And so I'm going to add 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 in the tens column. And now I'm going to do 3 plus 1, and which is, good, 4. So 326 plus 167 is 493. Alright, here's our problem set. So number 1 says, solve using vertical form and draw chips on the place value chart. Bundle as needed. So when they say bundle, it means you're going to take the 10. So if you have 13 ones, you take 10 of them and you trade them in for 1 10. So you have your 100 tens and ones place value chart, and you have to put your number into a vertical form. So you have 117 plus 170. And then part B is 217 plus 173. Part C is 371 plus 133. And part D is 504 plus 269. Number 2, you have to make your own place value chart. So part A is 546 plus 192. You have to draw your 100 tens and ones columns. And part B is 546 plus 275. And you have to draw your 100 tens and ones columns and put them both into vertical form. Alright, good luck everybody. If you have any questions, make sure you ask Miss Vu or I. And then send a picture of your work when you are all done. Keep up the hard work. We're so proud of you guys. We'll see you later. Bye.